if I told you the secret to achieving luminous, lifelike skin tones started with green? Stay tuned to see how this unexpected color unlocks the depth and coolness beneath the surface. Welcome back to my 5-part series. I'm Vickie. You can catch up with that process with this video, which I will link in the description below. And now we move into a crucial stage that might look a little unexpected. We're diving into the world of Verdaccio. Verdaccio, for those unfamiliar, is an age-old technique, particularly favored by the Italian Renaissance masters. It involves creating an underpainting in a monochromatic gray-green tones. Now, you might be thinking, green for skin? Exactly. This cool, muted beige actually serves as a great purpose, especially when painting flesh tones. It helps to neutralize the warmth of layers, creating a sense of depth, coolness in the shadows, and a beautiful contrast when the warmer colors are applied. For our Verdaccio, we'll be working with a limited palette: flake white, Mars black, and chromium oxide green. These three colors allow us to mix a wonderful range of cool grayish green tones. Now, the key is subtle variation. We're not aiming for one flat green. We want to create a tonal map that already suggests the light and shadow of someone's face. I'll start by mixing the base tone, which is 2 parts chromium oxide green to 1 part Mars black. See how the gray is now leaning towards a cool, almost olive green? This will be the foundation for our shadows. For the lighter areas, I'll mix more white, flake white into the space, creating lighter, softer gray greens. And for the deepest shadows, I might introduce a touch more of the Mars black, or even a tiny bit more green to deepen the coolness. The consistency we're aiming for is something that will allow for a smooth application. Something that's not too thick, not too thin, something that will allow us to build up the forms gradually. Now, with our Verdaccio mixtures ready, I'll begin to block in the shadows and the overall form of the face. Thinking of this as sculpting with tone. We're not worried about the color accuracy at this stage. We're focusing on establishing the light and shadow patterns. Let me know what you're thinking about the Verdaccio technique so far. Have you ever used it? Something I'm real excited to help you out with, but also show you, is the Asaro head. Have you ever struggled with lighting and shading faces? Discover the power of the Asaro head can simplify the complex forms of the human head. You'll learn to see and paint light and shadow like never before, taking your artwork to the next level. It's perfect for digital and traditional artists alike. Notice how the cool green already suggests layers of the form: the cheekbones, the eye sockets, the underside of the nose. The cool undertone will eventually create a beautiful contrast with the warmer flesh tones that we'll layer on top. This stage may seem a bit unusual, but trust the process. The Verdaccio underpainting is a fantastic way to achieve depth, luminosity, and subtle coolness that enhances the warmth of the skin. What a day at the Round Rock pop-up show. Huge shout out to my rock star sisters Liz and Beverly for being the ultimate support team. To all the amazing new collectors of my art, thank you for making my day. And to every single person who stopped by and showed their support, your encouragement, enthusiasm, fuel my passion. I'm feeling so inspired and ready for so much more. Stay tuned for the crazy experience of my first pop-up show and how I can help you learn from my experiences. Ready to see those cool greens transform into warm skin tones? Make sure you subscribe for the next episode. We'll begin introducing the warmer flesh tones, which I know you've been all excited about, which it builds upon this cool foundation. It's really where the magic starts to happen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the next episode. And always dream the possibilities.